Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the types of errors in error detection and correction. In types of error means mastering error detection in digital communication. In discussion, first icebreaker. The frustrated user think about a time a file download failed or a message was garbled. As a user, how did that error impact your trust in the system? What felt wrong? Next discussion, you might have said loss of time, confusion or frustration, doubt about the data integrity, need for confirmation. Session objectives or core goals are defined. Different types of transmission errors, classify errors based on their characteristics, analyze the impact of errors on data integrity. In design thinking, focus or empathize with end user affected by data corruption. In ideate phase, coding strategies to prevent these specific errors. In apply technical knowledge to real world scenarios. First, we know about what is the error. In core problem, in digital communication, an error occurs when a star turns into a 1 or a 1 turns into a during transmission, or 1 may be 0, 0 may be 1. Why it happens? Because of noise. In electrical interference, thermal noise or crosstalk. In attenuation, signal weakening over distance. Distortion is signal shape changes during to medium properties. First we transmit the data 10110. Here that is the 5-bit data. The receiver gets 10010 instead of 10110. The receiver receives the data, the bit is flipped, that caused the error. In classification, types of errors, that is single bit error and burst error. What is single bit error? Here sender is send the data and the receiver receives the data. The bit single bit only flipped. That is single bit error. Only one bit in the data unit is changed. Common in low noise channel. In burst error means two or more consecutive bits are corrupted. Length is measured from the first to the last error. In deep drive, burst error means mechanism, impact and calculation. In mechanism, usually caused by physical damage or strong interference affecting a duration of time, that is burst error. The impact is more difficult to detect and correct than single bit errors because they affect chunks of data. That is burst error. In calculation, burst length equal to last error position minus first error position plus 1. That is burst length is 5 bits. Check your understanding. The transmitted data unit is 101010, arrives as 101110. Which type of error occurred? Is this single bit error or burst error or multiple bit error or random error? Which one is correct? Check your understanding. The transmitted data unit is 101010, arrives as 101110. Which type of error occur? Burst, single bit or multiple bit error, random error. Here only one bit is changed, so this is a single bit error. In design thinking activity, prototype a solution. Scenario is satellite communication, that is high noise. The task is identify likely error type. In ideate phase, a coding technique to handle it. Start the reasoning. The summary and key takeaways are what we learned. Errors are bit flipped, 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 from noise, attenuation or distortion. The classification is single bit, 1 bit change easier to fix, burst consecutive bit change harder to fix. The applications are select error detection codes, that is parity or CRC, and Hamming based on expected error types. The assessment is what is the primary cause of worst error? The answer is physical damage or storage interference lasting over time. Thank you for watching this video.